Hi, question number 8. The straight line with equation y equals 3 over 4x makes an acute angle theta with the x-axis. Write down the value of the tangent of theta. Okay, this is a pretty tricky question. So I want you to try to draw a picture. Whenever things are really tricky, try to draw a picture, okay? So I have a straight line with an equation y equals 3 over 4x. I'm going to try to draw that, okay? 3 over 4x. So I'm going to go up 3 over 4. Okay. We'll go through the point. That's okay. There we go. So I went up 3 over 4. So that means this coordinate is 4, 3. Okay. And it makes an acute angle. So acute is going to be like this with the x-axis. Write down the value of the tangent of theta. If we're using tangent, we must have a right triangle. So let's turn this guy into a right triangle. I'm going to drop this altitude right here. This will be 90 degrees. And now let's use that coordinate or that clue that they gave us in the beginning. So this will be 4 and the height will be 3. Okay, so the tangent of theta is going to be opposite over adjacent. So the tangent of theta is going to be 3 over 4. Okay, find the value of the sine of 2 theta and the cosine of 2 theta. So these are just double angle formula problems. Okay. Inputs for sine of 2 theta. I'm going to need 2 times the sine of theta times the cosine of theta. So at this stage in the game, all we have is the tangent of theta. Not very helpful. But this is a 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triple. So now I have all 3 sides and I can just figure them out based on the picture. So I have 2 times the sine of theta is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite will be 3 over the hypotenuse of 5. And then the cosine of theta is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. So that's going to be 4 over 5. So now I just do 12 times 2 is 24 over 25. And that is going to be the sine of 2 theta. See how once you get a picture, you're like, oh, okay, I'm cooking. This is easy. Cosine of 2 theta. Okay, well, I already have the sine of theta, and I already have the cosine of theta. You can have your pick of the litter, whichever equation you want to do. I'm probably just going to do the one where it's sine squared theta because it's just one thing I have to calculate. So I'm just going to do the cosine of 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 times sine squared theta. So I've got the cosine of 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 times, and then sine we found to be 3 over 5, and he needs to be squared. So cosine of 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 over 5 squared. That's going to be 3 over 5 times 3 over 5. That's going to be 9 over 25, and then times 2 over 1. That's going to give me 18 over 25. So then I'm going to have 18 over 25. All right. So then I'm going to turn this one into a 25 over 25. A smarter version, so that way I can subtract. Oh gosh, I'm going into the other problem. Okay, so 25 minus 18 is going to give me 7 over 25. Cosine of 2 theta is equal to 7 over 25.